Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios, and today is part 2. I'm using the same palette as yesterday. I poured 2 cups at once after class, and this is the second cup. So I'm just going to flip it here and be amazed by how different these two paintings are. This is the bottom of yesterday's cup, and I poured them back to back. So this is the same black, and I will use the same gold. I really liked the way this pulled off here. Oh, this was so beautiful. It's so much fun to watch things arise and watch them disappear when you know they have to disappear. I don't even try to hold on to anything in this painting project anymore. It's great practice. Perhaps someday I'll let go of everything in my apartment the same way I let go of the paintings here. I took quite a bit of time to stretch this out because I really did like the pattern. So I edited out most of that, and it unfolded nicely and not so dramatic. The tones in this painting are much more subtle than I usually use. And several people have said that's good. They've encouraged me to use more subtle palettes. I really like those primary colors, but this was not my choice, so that's helpful in changing. Change is good, and change is important. Healing is change. You must change in order to heal. You can't stay the same. And I like the way these came out so abstractly that you can hang them in any direction, which I do on my walls. I have certain paintings that I flip according to my mood. And it's just nice to change the energy when you can flip a painting around. So, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.